Welcome, my friend. Today, you are not just reading a story. You are stepping into a calm, familiar world that repeats every day, quietly shaping life. This story is simple, slow, and clear, but inside, it is a powerful secret. When daily routines are understood, described, and practiced, English becomes easier, more natural, and more confident. Stay with this story until the end, because every moment, every action, and every habit will help your mind listen, understand, and speak English better. The day begins before noise fills the streets. Morning arrives softly, bringing light through windows and fresh air into rooms. The clock moves forward, and the world slowly wakes up. This is the first part of the daily routine. Morning time is quiet, peaceful, and full of new energy. It is the moment when the body wakes, the mind becomes clear, and the day starts its journey. Understanding this moment helps describe how every day truly begins. As morning continues, basic actions follow one by one. The body stretches, movement returns, and preparation starts. Clean water touches the face, bringing freshness and focus. Clothes are chosen carefully, ready for the day ahead. Simple tasks may feel small, but they create order and discipline. This part of the routine is important because it shows preparation. When daily routines are described in English, words like wake up, get ready, and start the day are often used naturally here. After preparation, nourishment becomes important. Morning meals give strength and warmth. Food is simple, healthy, and comforting. This moment is not rushed. It sets the mood for the rest of the day. Eating in the morning is a key habit in daily routines, and it is often described with words like have breakfast, drink tea, or eat quietly. These actions may seem ordinary, but they are powerful when learning how to describe daily life in English. As the sun rises higher, activity increases. Morning slowly changes into work time. Focus grows stronger, and attention moves toward tasks and responsibilities. This part of the routine is active and purposeful. Time is managed carefully, and energy is used wisely. Whether tasks involve learning, working, or practicing skills, this period shows productivity. In English, this stage is often described with phrases like start work, study, or focus on tasks. During the middle of the day, the pace changes again. Movement slows slightly and the body asks for rest. This is the time when lunch arrives. Food brings balance back to the system, refreshing both body and mind. Conversations may happen, or silence may be enjoyed. This part of the routine teaches the importance of balance. When describing daily routines, words like take a break, have lunch, and relax for a while fit naturally here. After lunch, energy returns slowly. The day enters its second working phase. Tasks continue, but the mind works differently now. There is more experience, more understanding, and more control. This time requires patience and consistency. Describing this stage helps learners practice phrases like continue working, finish tasks, or stay focused. It shows that daily routines are not rushed, but structured and steady. As afternoon fades, the light begins to change. The sky softens, and the atmosphere becomes calm again. This transition marks the end of heavy work and the beginning of personal time. Activities slow down, and responsibilities are completed. This moment is important in daily routines because it shows closure. In English, this time is often described with expressions like end the workday or wrap up tasks. Evening arrives gently, bringing comfort and reflection. The body feels tired, but the mind feels satisfied. This is the time for relaxation. Simple activities fill the space, such as light movement, quiet thinking, or peaceful rest. Evening routines help release stress and restore calm. When describing daily routines, learners often use phrases like relax in the evening, spend quiet time, or enjoy free time. As darkness covers the sky, the day becomes slower and quieter. Dinner brings warmth and comfort once again. This meal is slower than others, allowing time to breathe and unwind. It is a moment of connection with calmness and stability. Words like have dinner, eat slowly, and enjoy the evening are commonly used to describe this part of the routine in English. After dinner, the world becomes peaceful. Noise fades, lights soften, and the body prepares for rest. This is the time when reflection happens. The day is reviewed silently, and lessons are absorbed naturally. Night routines are important because they prepare the body and mind for sleep. Describing this stage helps learners use phrases like get ready for bed, slow down, and relax at night. Finally, the day comes to an end. Rest arrives naturally, closing the cycle that began in the morning. Sleep brings recovery, strength, and readiness for a new day. This final part of the routine completes the story of daily life. In English, words like go to sleep, rest, and end the day describe this moment clearly and simply. Daily routines repeat, but they are never meaningless. Each action builds discipline, confidence, and clarity. By understanding and describing daily routines in English, language becomes part of life, not something separate. Simple habits create strong communication skills. When routines are described clearly, English feels natural, calm, and easy to use. This story is not just about a day. It is about rhythm, balance, and consistency. Listening to and reading stories like this trains the mind to recognize patterns in English. Over time, words become familiar, sentences become clear, and speaking becomes confident. The power of daily routine is not only in living it, but also in describing it with simple, clear English. Every new day brings another chance to practice. Every routine becomes another lesson. And slowly, without pressure or fear, English becomes a natural part of life. Keep listening, keep reading, and keep moving forward, one calm day at a time.